What's up guys? In this video, ituturo ko sa inyo ang 4 basic chords ng kantang At My Worst by Pink Sweets. At ito na guys, ang unang chords niya guys ay C. Tapos A minor. Tapos D minor. Tapos G. Ganun lang kasimple guys. 4 na chords lang. Ulit-ulitin mo lang guys. C, A minor, D minor, at saka G. Sample with example guys. With song. Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. Oh, I don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh, don't you worry. I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I'll do the worst. At yun lang guys, napaka basic lang. C, A minor, D minor, at saka D. If you like this video, click subscribe.